Chris with Creative Audio, and today we're going to do an introduction on the Diamond Audio MS69NEO Lid Kits. Have you ever stood there looking at your bike thinking, I want better sound, but I'm not about to mess up a perfectly good set of lids just to get it? Especially if you've got custom paint, a special edition, or just a bike that you put a lot of time into. Because once you cut it, there's no undoing it. By having a qualified, experienced shop do the job is always the simplest and easiest option. But these Diamond Audio MS69NEO Lid Kits are built for the guys who want to be able to do this on their own. You, in your driveway, on a Saturday. Here's what I like about these. They don't overcomplicate it. You're getting a pair of MS69NEO 6x9 speakers, a cut template that actually lines things up, all the mounting hardware, the gaskets, and a wiring harness to tie it all in clean. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Let's start by talking about the speakers, because this is where it separates itself. These aren't your typical car 6x9s. They're built around an ultra-compact neodymium motor, and what that does is it gives you a speaker that's fast, efficient, and controlled. So instead of needing a ton of power to wake them up, they respond quick and stay clean when you need them turned up. The power handling is there too. 350 watts RMS, 700 watts peak. So when you throw an amp on them, they're ready for it. And this part matters more than most people think. These are marine grade. We're talking water spray resistant, salt resistant, 100% UV stable, plus that UV controlled waterproof basket comes in a high temp composite basket. So between the heat, the vibration, the sun, and the weather, they're built to live on a motorcycle, not just visit one. Sound-wise, you're getting a strong mid-bass hit out of these 6x9s, but more importantly, they stay clear and they actually project, because on a bike, muddy audio just disappears. These are designed to push sound out, not just make noise. But honestly, the biggest win here, the install. These kits are designed so that you don't have to guess. The template lays out, the hardware spaces it correctly, the gaskets seal it up so that you're not dealing with vibration or rattles, and when you cut it into your bike, you're not hoping that it lines up. You know it will. And that's why this is perfect for that guy with the custom paint, the guy with the special edition bike, the guy who doesn't want to go buy new lids just to upgrade his audio. Take your time, follow the guides, make the cuts, bolt it on. And when you're done, it looks factory, sounds better than the factory, and you did it all yourself. Because at the end of the ride, a clean install with the right fit and the sound that actually shows up on the road, that's all that really matters. That's just some of the features and benefits of the Diamond Audio MS69NEO Lid Kits. Stay tuned for more out-of-the-box videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit us at creativeaudio.net.